Bonjour mes étudiants 8th standard. Welcome you all for this new session. So we are after our half-yearly holidays. Now we are going to see a new lesson. So lesson 9. The name of the lesson is Au Café des Laurents. Au Café des Laurents. So if you see in this image, there are friends at the coffee shop and they have ordered something and they are eating it. So there is a small conversation in this place. So let's see what is the conversation and we'll find out what they're talking. Okay, so please take page number 80. If you're ready with the passage, I can read it loud. So there are two people sitting, friends, Manuel et Anish. Manuel et Anish vont au restaurant. So I'll read it once and then I'll start explaining it. So today we'll be seeing the French translation as well as these exercises. Okay, let's start. Manuel, qu'est-ce que tu veux manger? Anish, je ne sais pas. Manuel, prends un sandwich au poulet. Anish, non, je n'aime pas le poulet. Anish, monsieur, apportez-moi un sandwich au fromage et un jus de raisin, s'il vous plaît. Serveur, et vous, monsieur, qu'est-ce que vous voulez? Manuel, donnez-moi un sandwich au poulet et une limonade. Le serveur apporte un plateau, les assiettes, les cuillers, les tasses et les verres. En 2 minutes, il sert les sandwichs et les boissons. Il donne l'addition. Manuel paye l'addition. Il donne un pourboire au serveur. Okay. So normally when we go to a restaurant, they will order something. So since this is a cafe, what are the things which is available? There is a cake, sandwich, breads and something else. Okay, so these two guys, one is Anish and one is Manuel, they are having something. I think it is a cool drink. Okay, and they have 2 sandwiches before them. So let's see one by one. So I'll read it once and then I'll start explaining it. So these two friends are going to a restaurant and they would like to order something, and there is the conversation between them. So we'll see one by one. Qu'est-ce que tu veux manger? So Manuel is asking Anish, what would you like to have? Okay. So Anish replies, je ne sais pas. I don't know. Okay, so don't write now. I'll repeat once again. And now just listen. Manuel, prends un sandwich au poulet. So Manuel is suggesting Anish to take a chicken sandwich. Okay, and what is the reply given by Anish? No, je n'aime pas le poulet. So Anish doesn't like chicken, so he doesn't want to have chicken sandwich. So Anish is asking the server to bring something. Let's see what it is. Monsieur, apportez-moi un sandwich au fromage et un jus de raisin, s'il vous plaît. So Anish is asking the server to bring, sir, bring me a sandwich of cheese and fruit juice, that is grape juice, please. Okay, so he is asking a cheese sandwich and a grape juice. Okay, then server replies, et vous, monsieur, qu'est-ce que vous voulez? So now server is asking Manuel, sir, what do you want? Donnez-moi un sandwich au poulet et une limonade. So now Manuel is adding, give me a sandwich of chicken and a lemon juice. Limonade is nothing but a lemon juice. Okay, now le serveur apporte un plat, les assiettes, les cuillers, les tasses et les verres. So first I will tell you what is this. So these are the things which a server brings. And plateau is what? See, See, this is a server, he is having a plateau. This is a server, he is having a plateau. Plateau is a small type of board which you carry to have your foods, okay, so to bring it to your table. So imagine if you go to KFC, or you will have a plateau. So having that, you will bring it to your place and you will have to have it together with your friends. So plateau. So the next vocabulary we are going to see is les assiettes, that is plates. Les cuillers, these are spoons, okay. Les tasses is nothing but the cups, okay. And les verres is what? Glass. So the server, now I repeat, the server brings a plate and a board which carries these things, the eatable things, okay. So we can say that also a plate, okay. So this plate is for us to eat, okay, and this plate is for bringing the food, okay. Liquid, spoons, cups and the glass, okay. So en 2 minutes il sert les sandwichs et des boissons. So in 2 minutes he brings the sandwich and the drinks. Il donne l'addition. So he gives the bill. Manuel paye l'addition, il donne un pourboire au serveur. So Manuel pays the bill and he gives a pourboire is nothing but tips, okay. Pourboire au serveur. So he gives the tips to the server. Okay, now what we are going to do is, I'll just recap what is going to happen. So first thing, Manuel and Anish, they are in the restaurant. So Anish doesn't like chicken sandwich, so Manuel is asking Anish to order something. So he's ordering a cheese sandwich and Manuel is ordering a chicken sandwich. Anish is ordering a grape juice and this guy is ordering a lemon juice. So now the server brings it in 2 minutes and they both have it and they give the tips to the server and they leave the place. So this is what is happening. Now you can take down one by one. I'll go by sentence. So take down the translation. So start from here. Manuel et Anish vont au restaurant. So Manuel and Anish are going to the restaurant. The first sentence of the dialogue. Manuel, qu'est-ce que tu veux manger? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? I don't know. Anish, I don't know. Let's take a chicken sandwich. Let's take a chicken sandwich. No, I don't like chicken. I repeat, no, I don't like chicken. Now, reply from Anish. Sir, bring me a cheese sandwich and a grape juice, please. I repeat, sir, bring me a bring me a cheese sandwich and a grape juice, please. And you, sir, what would you like to have? And you, sir, what would you like to have? Give me a chicken sandwich and a lemon juice. Give me a chicken sandwich and a lemon juice. The server brings on the serving plate. The server brings on the serving plate plates, spoons, cups and glasses. I repeat, the server brings on the serving plate the plates, the spoons, the cups and the glasses. In 2 minutes, he brings the sandwich and the drinks. In 2 minutes, he brings the sandwich and the drinks. He gives the bill. He gives the bill. Manuel pays the bill. Manuel pays the bill and he gives tips to the server. Manuel pays the bill and he gives tips to the server. Manuel pays the bill and he gives tips to the server. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to read it fully in English. Just check what you have written. If you have missed somewhere, just kindly fill it, okay? What would you like to eat? I don't know. Let's have a chicken sandwich. No, I don't like chicken. Sir, bring me a cheese sandwich and a grape juice, please. And you, sir, what would you like to have? Give me a chicken sandwich and lemon juice. The server brings the serving plate, the plates, the spoons, the cups and the glasses. In 2 minutes, he brings the sandwich and drinks. The sandwich and the drinks. He gives the bill. Manuel pays the bill and he gives a tips to the server. Okay, so now we are done with the translation. What we are going to do next is we are going to see this. Dites vrai ou faux. Donnez l'infinitif, répondez. So I think we shall start. Your today's homework will be, you have to write your 9th lesson translation in your classwork. Okay, so this translation which I gave you now, it should be in your classwork. That is your today's homework. Okay, so let's find the answer. Your today's online test will be based on this exercise number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we'll see one by one. Les garçons vont à l'hôtel des Laurent. So the name of the hotel is Laurent. Let's check. Yes, au Café des Laurent. So that is true. So it is vrai. Okay. Anish adore le poulet. So does Anish likes chicken? No. So the answer is faux. Anish adore le poulet. Answer is faux. Third one. Manuel boit une limonade. So I think you guys are just marking it. Kindly do that as I repeat. So Manuel boit une limonade. Yes, that is true, because Anish was taking the grape juice and this guy was taking limonade. So that is true. In case if you have any doubt, you can see, you can check here. See, Manuel says donnez-moi un sandwich au poulet une limonade. So that is true. So that is vrai. Le pourboire est l'argent donné par un client à un garçon. So pourboire is a small mistakes here. Instead of garçon, if it is server, I think it is vrai, but here it is given boy. So the tips are a type of money which is given to the given by the client to a boy. So this is faux. Actually, it should be given to a server. So we cannot say a boy. Okay. So le pourboire est l'argent donné par un client à un garçon. So pourboire means tips. To whom we will give tips? After eating, we will give the tips to the server. So it's not a garçon. So it is faux. So first one is vrai, second one is faux, third one is vrai, fourth one is faux. Now we have to find the infinitive of these verbs. So first verb is prendre, P-R-E-N-D-S. So let's find the infinitive. It is a RE verb. You have already learnt it. See, P-R-E-N-D-S. The infinitive of this verb is P-R-E-N-D-R-E. So very simple. Prendre, it's a irregular verb. This is donner. The infinitive is D-O-N-N-E-R. So this we cannot find from the passage. This should be known to yourself because already these verbs you have seen in the previous lessons. Donner. Fourth verb is apporter. So just add a R to this verb. It becomes infinitive. Okay, apporter. And for this, actually you wrote this verb right. Vouloir. Vouler. So the infinitive of this verb is vouloir. V-O-U-L-O-I-R. Vouloir. And the last verb is vont. That is aller verb. A-L-L-E-R. Aller. So first verb is prendre, second is donner, third is apporter, fourth is vouloir, fifth is aller. Now répondez. So now we are going to see répondez. Okay. Où vont les garçons? So where the boys are going? The boys are going to the hotel. Okay. So where is this? Manuel et Anish vont au restaurant. That is the answer. Manuel et Anish vont au restaurant. Second one. Est-ce que Anish aime le poulet? So the answer is je n'aime pas le poulet. So replace this je with Anish. So Anish n'aime pas le poulet. That is the second answer. Qu'est-ce qu'il mange? So now they are asking Anish. Okay. Qu'est-ce qu'il mange? They are not asking Manuel. Okay. So what did he eat? Il mange un sandwich au fromage et un jus de raisin. Il mange un sandwich au fromage et jus de raisin. Now, qu'est-ce que le garçon apporte sur un plateau? Oh my God, see here. See the server, they are referring to garçon. So I think here it should become vrai. Okay. So fourth one is also vrai. So the meaning of garçon here is server. So please correct it. I think out of this 4, only second one is 4. Other 3 is vrai. Okay. Why? Because they mean the server here as garçon. So just change it. Qu'est-ce que le garçon apporte sur un plateau? So this one is very easy. Les serveurs apportent sur un plateau. What are the things? Les assiettes, les cuillers, les tasses et les verres. Okay. So on the serving plate he was having these things: plates, cups, glasses and spoons. So these things he was having in the serving plate. That is what they are asking. So the first line is the answer. Instead of server you can write le garçon, because they are referring the boy as a server. Okay. Qu'est-ce que Manuel donne au garçon? Donner au garçon. Sorry. Qu'est-ce que Manuel donne au garçon? So what did Manuel gives to the boy? Now the last thing. Il donne un pourboire au serveur. Au serveur or au garçon, both are correct, because the server is again replaced by garçon. So the boys are very short, no? So there can be also said as server or garçon, both are correct. Okay, see the image. So the last answer is il donne un pourboire au serveur. Okay, so I repeat, your today's homework is translation. Write the translation. Okay, and also write the answers which I gave you here in your French classwork. Okay, and today's online test will be exercise number 1, 2 and 3. Fine. So you can start writing your classwork, because you will have a short term this term. So try to keep your work ready and submit your work on time. So in today's class we have seen this French translation and this translation based exercises. So kindly revise it once before you take the online test. Okay. So merci mes étudiants. We'll see in the next class some grammar items. Okay. Merci, bonne journée.